Hi everybody, hope you all are enjoying the cool and sunny mornings that we've been experiencing this past week in Houston now that fall has begun. Noting that the seasons are changing, I wanted to share with you guys some tips on home maintenance. Hope you find this useful. First and foremost is your HVAC system. We want to make sure that this system is serviced by a reputable company just so you know that when you switch over to heating more, the system's working right. Next, you want to pour a cup of bleach down the primary drain at your air handler and also replace all the return air filters in the home. Test all the smoke and carbon monoxide detectors in your home. Next, you want to do a quick cleaning of your disposal at the kitchen sink. You can do that with a bucket of ice, just pour it down the drain and add a cup of rock salt. Run the water and start it. Once all the ice cubes have gone through, your sink disposal should be odor-free and clean. So for all the maintenance tips that I just shared, go ahead and call your favorite contractor. If you need a referral to somebody good, let me know and I'll connect you.